Hi there, thanks for joining me today. Today I'm going to be very quickly talking about monkeypox and what products we have to keep yourself safe and keep your family safe, and the accreditation that you're looking for to make sure that the product that you've got will kill it. So what is monkeypox? Monkeypox is a rare infection that's mainly found in West Africa. There have recently been some cases in the UK, which is why I'm doing this vlog. So where does monkeypox originate from? How do you get it? Monkeypox can be caught from infected rodents such as rats, mice and squirrels in parts of West and Central Africa. You can catch monkeypox from an infected animal if you're bitten or you touch its blood, body fluids, spots, blisters or scabs, and it can also be caught through close contact, difficult for me to say, close contact with an individual who has got monkeypox. So it can spread from person to person through close contact, so either touching clothing, bedding or towels that someone who has the monkeypox rash has touched, skin, blisters or scabs, and coughs, or if someone with monkeypox coughs or sneezes around you. So that's kind of where it comes from, how you can get it. So in terms of cleaning and disinfection products that we have an arsenal of cleaning and disinfection products that will combat monkeypox. It's quite a simple viral strain. So to give you some background, the monkeypox virus is a double-stranded DNA zoonotic virus. And it's a species of the genus Arthropox virus. So importantly, it's the Arthropox virus would include cowpox, vaccinia and variola, and you need to, so poxviridae are covered by the testing of vaccinia virus according to BSEN 14476, so that is important. BSEN 14476 is something that you've heard me say a lot during the COVID outbreak. So anything that's going to be killing COVID will kill monkeypox, which is the good news. So all surfaces, handles, etc. If you do have an outbreak in your home, make sure that the person that has monkeypox is disinfecting surfaces around themselves. If they're having something to eat in the kitchen, make sure they're sanitising the worktops, doors, etc. Washing their clothes in the washing machine themselves on a hot cycle themselves. In terms of products we have here, we have the cleaner sanitizer, which is one that many of you have got in your cupboards. It is BSEN 14476, so will kill viruses. BSEN 1276, so will kill bacteria. It's 30-second contact, food safe, it's a good all-rounder. We also have the Salvasan disinfectant, which is pet friendly, family friendly, which is BSEN 1276 and BSEN 14476. The Salvasan, interestingly, has no nasties in it at all. It's entirely compostable, entirely degradable, so it's great for the environment and just kind of dissipates back into its natural chemical components, which is salt and water. So that's a great one also. And then we also have a steam, which many of our customers currently take. So if you've got a steam, make sure that you're using that around to stay on top of viruses and bacteria, and that will protect you against monkeypox. Also, that one is BSEN 1276. It's also BSEN 14476 and has a contact time of 30 seconds. That was quick. That's it from me. Follow us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you. Bye.